How to install Ubuntu? Hello everybody, my name is Afuzal Maruf. This is my first video. I'm not alone here. I'm with my friend.
Hello, my name is Masud Faufani. We will introduce you how to install Linux Ubuntu.
Plus basic commands of Linux. So before we get started, what we have to do, Fanny?
You must have two applications. First is VirtualBox, and the second is Linux Ubuntu application.
Yeah, we just need two applications. You can get all for free. Link of VirtualBox and Ubuntu in description. So let's get started.
First, open VirtualBox. This is click icon, and now we need to give this virtual machine a name. So we're just going to type here Ubuntu or everything you want to call, and then we need to tell it what operating system it is and the version in this OS type. You can choose what OS you want to install, but now we choose Linux Ubuntu. I choose 32-bit. As like this YouTube tutorial and click next. And we are on to memory. In here, we need to allocate some RAM to our virtual machine. You can allocate as much as you want by setting this all the way. You are only suggesting to leave it in when your virtual machine suggests. As we know, it's going to run fine with that, so we click next. Now, at this stage, we need to create a new hard disk, or we can choose this existing hard disk, but we'll recommend to choose create a new hard disk. So now, click create. Now, VirtualBox allow you to create virtual hard disk. You could select one of the other disks, but we're just going to choose virtual hard disk, and click next. In here, just next. In here, leave it like this and click next. And now we going to choose the size of a disk that we want. We're going to leave at 8 gigabytes because that's going to be more than enough. And click next or create. And now we are ready to create the virtual hard disk in this virtual machine. Click settings icon. Choose storage. Click empty. Click this disk icon. Choose virtual optical disk file. We can find Linux Ubuntu ISO extension. Okay. And click OK. Right. Now we click start. You can choose install Ubuntu or try Ubuntu, but I choose try Ubuntu. Bosaski, Katana, Kristina, Checkpoint, Dan, Virus, SD, Unisys, Bonus, Esperanto, Scala, French, Julia, Gaelic, Warfasti, etc. That's possible. And now we on Linux Ubuntu. Yay! For basic commands of Linux, Masita Taufani will be with you.
About basic command of Linux, we go to terminal. First, we try with sudo su. is bring your site to user. And the second, hostname, is your name user or device. Third, PWD. The position in which we are active. Then, who am I? Is your username. This ls. To see your already directory. Then, cd. To change directory, you can go in or back with it and to make this. mkdir. And name of directory, we can remove directory with rmdir. And name of directory. To see again, we type ls. To make file, we can do with touch space name file. To filling files already created, we type nano space name file, but whatever you type. Ctrl plus X to exit this nano comment. Clear to print screen. Exit to exit of terminal.
Thanks for watching, guys. I love you all.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, please.